fame up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him. But fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Toc's picking it up. Let's go.
We got together to do this music, the more we became enveloped, we just developed the fellowship through it. There's no pretension, it's friendship, me nemesis is soon nemesis. Ain't for him, it's just me, you see the them, it's just images. The shit is no gimmick, blood in and blood out. When it's beef, you just gotta know when the blood in and blood out. If there's a problem, we solve it, we don't resolve it, it usually just evolves into one big brawl, and we all get involved in it. We should all get a merit, this must beef we inherit, and wear it like a badge of honor, pass it around and share it, and let it go to whoever's holding the most current beef on their shoulders. And the soldiers got their backs to the over. But tonight, we ain't coming here to beef with nobody, we came to party. Thanks Cash is a Mr. Ferrari, so it's shady at the mishap. Back in that ass, you was asking this song, what kind of what's up in position is that?
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
I say I run it, cause I'm in control. Hypnotic, gonna see a couple shots of Patron. I ain't feeling the hype, I get your eyes a kite. Party poppin', shawty said she coming with me tonight. I ain't so delaney, I ain't snapping and popping either. I'm bobbing my head or I'm just standing there watching. I'm a hustler, I hustle, you can tell that I'm paid. And I protect what I got, I'm in the house with my blade. Nigga, you folks gon' get it. Okay, now maybe I'm silly, cause I want you to treat it. Yeah, I be on that shit. You should see when I'm stunting, I flash the stones to be button. Push the whips in me rolling, you can tell that I'm holding. I'm just doing my thing, you know the units the game. I got my crime, you shady with me, you front, you'll have to get me off your ass. I paid a lawsuit and laugh. It's not a big deal, it's nothing but some game.
Forget Mike, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time, because he writes every note and he writes every line. And I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like a design is written in his head every time, before he even touches a key or speaks in a rhyme. And those motherfuckers he runs with, the kids that he signed, ridiculous, without even trying. How do they do it? This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. Yeah, Fort Minor, M. Shinoda, Styles of Beyond, Ryu, Talk Fear, Machine Shop. Trying not to watch, I wasted it all on the hands of the clock. But in the end, no matter what I pretend, the journey is more important than the end or the start. And what it meant to be will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard.
I don't know why, it doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind, I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, I so socialized, like the host of the party. I spoke, shaked and made eye contact. Partied and told strong arm at northeast, southwest coast. I'm staring out the window, no opportunity to mend up. I tried to sold up, you weaken your system and had to throw it up. I brought you back in the things, like imaginary man in your dreams. Dude always
was scared of it all, scared to fall, and hadn't even tried to crawl, but I was forced to run, with you mocking me, stopping me, backstabbing me constantly, remembering all the times you fought with me. Watch the clock now chock full of hypocrisy, but now your mouth wishes it could inhale every single little thing you said to make things fail, every single one you sputtered just to get your piece. But it really doesn't matter to me, cause from the start to the end, no matter what I pretend, the journey is more important than the end or the start. And what it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so